What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to look up your subscribers and who is subscribed to you on your YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel and this video is helpful at any point, then please leave a like down below. Also, if you're new and you want to see future tutorials, then please subscribe for future content. So a lot of you may know that it used to be relatively easy to find who was subscribed to your YouTube channel. In older versions of YouTube, the layout would be slightly different and it would be really easy to just click on where it said how many subscribers you have and it would actually show you who is subscribed to your channel. As you can see, that doesn't work now. So what we're going to need to do is actually go into our Creator Studio. Now if you are on your channel page, you can either click on YouTube Studio Beta over here, or if you're anywhere on the YouTube website, I forgot what the word for website was called there, but if you're anywhere on YouTube, you can click on the logo in the top corner, you can click YouTube Studio Beta. So we'll wait for this to load up quickly. Now once you are on the YouTube Studio Beta, you may notice straight away we have got recent subscribers down the bottom here. If we click see more, we can actually see who has subscribed to our channel. But if you notice, this is the last 28 days. So of course, with this being the last 28 days, that means it's not everyone subscribed to your channel. Also, take note that it says only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. So regardless if you are on this page or if you are on the page I'm about to show you, which shows the full subscriber list, if that user hasn't made their subscriptions public, then you will not be able to see them on the list. So I'm just going to put that out there. So if you do think some results are missing, it's because that account does actually have to make their subscriptions public. So now to get the actual full list of people subscribed to your channel, you want to close this down and you actually want to leave the Creator Studio Beta and go to the old Creator Studio Classic by clicking this button down here in the bottom left corner. Now you may get this pop-up saying thanks for trying out the new experience. I would recommend just clicking on the first option here, which is I have an urgent task and know how to find it in Creator Studio Classic, and then just clicking submit. You can write some more if you want, but it's not completely urgent. But if we give it a minute, you can see that the page has loaded now. We've got the old Creator Studio. Ooh, channel's hit 400,000 views. Damn. Yeah, anyway, once you are on this page, you want to go into Community on the left hand side. Click on that. And then once that comes up, you'll see a few more options in this drop down menu. You want to click on Subscribers. And there you go. This is the full list of subscribers. Now, like I said before, only subscribers who share their subscriptions publicly are showing. So some who haven't done that will not show up on the list. But for the most part, this is going to be the full list. Now, you may also notice there's no way to actually search for subscribers. You can choose most recent and you can choose most popular, which is quite cool. So you can have some variation. But if you want to actually search by name, there's only one way I know of doing this, and it is a bit of a faff on, if I'm honest. It is a bit tedious. What you're going to want to do is load more and load more and load more, and you need to pretty much do this for everyone on the channel, or at least until you've hit the full extent of people subscribed to your channel. I know this can be a lot worse if your channel's going to be a bigger channel, but if it is a small channel, I feel like most people's channels will be smaller. It shouldn't be too bad. But once you feel like you've got everyone loaded in, if you want to search for a channel name in particular, if you press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, I believe this should work in any browser. You can then search for a channel name. So let me type in, I don't know, I'm going to type in a random. Let's say we didn't know where Epic Dirtman was. Let's see, we were checking he was subscribed. So we'll type in Epic Dirtman, and look, he is there. And that's how we can find the search results. I feel like YouTube should definitely implement a search feature for subscribers when it is eventually implemented in the YouTube Studio Beta. But for now, this is what you have to do to actually search for your subscriptions. If anyone else does know how to get around this a bit easier, or maybe how to do it in the actual YouTube Studio Beta, then tell me in the comments down below, because I'd love to know, and I may make an updated video in the future if you do have that information. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it helpful. If you did find it helpful, then leave a like down below, and also comment any future suggestions for tutorials you would like to see. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.